Let's talk about gold prices. They are on fire today and trying to trade higher. And if the Democrats manage to win those 2 seats in Georgia, the 2 senator seats, I do think we can have even higher prices. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We did mention levels to buy from before the holidays, and today I'm going to share with you the new levels that I'm watching for gold prices. Alright guys, this is an MT4 account by ATFX, and I'm using the ATFX support and resistance indicator, which is a new indicator I developed with the team of ATFX, where we share short-term outlooks for all major markets. There's going to be a link on the top comment here where you can download your version of this indicator. Just bear in mind though guys, if you are based in Europe or the UK, please note that the indicator unfortunately is not available to you guys. For you guys, just keep on watching this video. I will do my best to try to share my input or my outlook on the markets with you guys. Alright guys, so this is gold prices, and we're on a clear uptrend. And if you might remember, I've been saying that we should be buying here. That went really well. And I said look to buy here, and that as well went really well. Now, if you bought here around 1878 or so, as we discussed before the holidays, this is the good time to book some 75% of that position. Now, ultimately, I do think we're going to go higher. I think we're going to trade as high as 1961. And if the Democrats win the 2 seats, we're going to be probably above 2,700. However, though, this is not the time to become a hero and look to buy at these levels. This is not Bitcoin, which is going to double even after you buy it, even if you know nothing. Bitcoin, is super easy to trade when it's in such an uptrend. This is not like that. And Bitcoin, by the way, can sometimes be really bad and sort of did obviously hurt a lot of people. But yeah, so looking at this today, where are the better options? Where are the better levels to buy? Well, if we use something like a 4-hour, you can see that the trend defining level of the last major low is 1868. And what we're looking for here, we're looking pretty much for like a 50% correction or so. That's pretty much it. Actually, first fib, if anything, and down to that level. So the level you're watching here, that where I'm going to be bullish from is 1909 and down to here to 1892. I think that little spot, that would be amazing. Now you need to be very mindful. If we stick around at these levels and then you have the Republicans winning the 2 seats, well, the likelihood of President-elect Joe Biden being able to implement his most fiscal stimulus and be more aggressive with that is going to diminish sharply. So then at that point, the dollar could actually gain quite a lot, and you can see gold prices suffering. So when that happens, you don't want to be the guy just holding out your hands, you're like looking to buy. You want to take a step back. Let's see how fast it drops, if it drops into the buy spot. And then if you see some signs that things are stabilizing, one can get involved. If not, one can just wait a day. There's nothing wrong with waiting a bit, looking for everybody else to make their move, and then you're taking on a position, especially around these big events, because these big events just tend to be volatile, and it will just get a lot of people hurt. Alright guys, don't forget to check out the indicators on the top comment. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you, and goodbye.